Get excited about the 2013 Chrysler 300C. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 80,000 miles. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 350 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, speed-sensitive wipers, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and power windows. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. State-of-the-art amenities such as steering wheel memory and pedal memory yield a more personal driving experience. Chrysler also prioritized safety and security by including traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.